latest development, the Supreme Court today issued an interim order seizing ministerial berth of Manipur Minister T.H. Shyamkumar and not allowing him to enter the Manipur Legislative Assembly with immediate effect. Forest and Environment Minister Shyamkumar is currently facing disqualification case under the 10th schedule. The reserved verdict of the final hearing of the same disqualification case held at the Manipur Assembly Speakers Tribunal would be announced on March 28. Irate protesters today blocked the Khurai-Tinsit Road in Imphal East against the alleged failure of the concerned authority to complete repair work on the road, now lying in bad condition. Commuters face difficulty due to the road blockade. One of the protesters said that road mishaps have increased along Khurai-Tinsit Road. He urged the government to take necessary action to ensure the completion of the repair work immediately. India reported its third death from the COVID-19 pandemic yesterday. The number of COVID-19 cases tested positive in India is 145 and there are 128 active cases. Meanwhile, a woman with a travel history to France and the Netherlands have tested positive for COVID-19, taking the total tally of positive novel coronavirus cases in Pune to 18. And a 34-year-old Jawan of the Indian Army in Leh tested positive for COVID-19, making it the first case in the armed forces. He contracted it from his father who returned from Iran recently, a media report said. Congress leaders D.K. Shivakumar and Digvijay Singh have been detained in Bengaluru where they have gone to meet the 16 rebel Congress MLAs from Madhya Pradesh, a media report said. As the political crisis in Madhya Pradesh deepens, the Supreme Court has proposed the hearing of a plea filed by Congress. Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Kamal Nath lashed out at the BJP today after senior Congress leaders D.K. Shivakumar, Digvijay Singh and others were detained by the police in Bengaluru when they were trying to meet rebel MLAs of the Congress from Madhya Pradesh. The Kuki Students' Organization Mumbai expressed shock over the inhuman and barbaric acts allegedly committed by Tangkhul miscreants who burned down Chasad village of Kamjong district on March 16. In a press release, the student body also strongly condemned the police for failing to act when the incident was happening under their nose. A 5-day-long training program for supervisors and enumerators for the 2021 census exercise in Thoubal and Kakching districts was kicked off yesterday at the District Election Counting Hall, Thoubal. Altogether, 23 field trainers are taking part in the program, which will continue till 21st of March. Researchers from some of the top companies and institutions of the world have developed an app that can help in curbing the spread of coronavirus. The app, known as PrivateKit, SafePaths, tracks the location of a person and the people with whom he or she has come in contact. The application will help users see if they may have come in contact with someone carrying the coronavirus without knowing who it might be.